Hey guys, welcome back. So I figured since there's one more day left for the Sephora sale that you can get 20% off, I thought that I'd show you guys what I picked up at Sephora, because normally I order online and I do the haul like after the sale's over. And I was like, why don't I do a haul while the sale's still going on so you guys can take advantage of whatever I'm showing you when there's still 20% off going on, which I always try to do, but I never do it. So I'm doing it this time. I went Friday to the mall and I picked up some stuff at my local Sephora. I got some stuff that I've kind of had my eye on, and some new launches and things like that, and just some random stuff. I only planned on getting a couple things, but I got more than that. You know how that goes. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. I got everything in store, and I'm gonna show you guys some stuff that I took advantage of. Let's just jump right in. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, all that stuff. First thing that I decided to get, which this one, I was like, I really want to get it. When I saw it launch online, or when I saw the pictures go up online, I was like, I have to get this, like no question. This is the HUDA Beauty Nude palette. I really thought this was called something else. I didn't even know it was called the Nude palette, but I saw pictures of it and it's like all rose gold. It's so freaking beautiful. I haven't even opened it up yet. This looks so pretty. It kind of reminds me of Kim KW, whatever it's called. HUDA, this looks so good. They always do a really good job of packaging. Like, I'm a big fan of HUDA Beauty eyeshadows, and like all her products are just really great. So you get this little insert, of course. They always do the most, do a little bit extra. And those are the shadows. Aren't those so beautiful, you guys? They leave me speechless. I mean, look at those foiled shadows. You get a nice high quality mirror in there. You guys, this palette is so dreamy. Like, I'm getting lost right now. This palette is so much prettier than I could have ever imagined. I love these tones, like these speak to me. I love nude everything. You guys know, I know there's a lot of other nude neutral lovers out there. So, oh my gosh, and I love like the mauve tones. I love how it kind of has a hint of mauve in there too, because there's a lot of pinky, mauvey. It has like just a whole mauve tone to the whole nude palette, which I love. I love mauve tones on me. I think they're really pretty. And I cannot wait to dig into this palette. I was gonna try to do it like a look before I filmed this video, but this was my first priority while the sale's still going on. So I cannot wait to create some looks with this palette. Let me know if y'all want some Instagram tutorials, if you want like a first impression or just a review. Let me know what you guys want with this palette, because I'm definitely going to be filming with this. I freaking love the way that it looks, and I can't wait to just dig in that. I kind of don't want to though, because it's so pretty, but I'm going to. So beautiful. The next thing that I picked up while I was there is this TATCHA set. I love, like when people ask me like, how do you get your skin so dewy? Which, thank you so much. My answer is always like TATCHA Dewy Skin Mist. This is my favorite. If I know I'm gonna be doing like photos, or if I'm gonna be going to an event, if I wanna look extra, then I use the Dewy Skin Mist. The one thing that I hate about it is like it's pretty pricey, and also like whenever I use it, my hair will like stick to my face, because that's how dewy my face gets. It's been like that all day because I used it today. This was like around $65, $68, and it had like a really good value on it. So I decided to pick it up because I've been wanting to try this silk canvas as well. I kind of wish they did something different. Sorry, it has a glare on it. Your little lash scissors can really do a girl some good. God, these are hard to get out of. Goodness gracious. I have to like tear this box up to get anything out, so I'm gonna keep it in the pretty packaging for now. And I really do like this radiance mask. It's called the Violet Sea Radiance Mask. I've used that a bunch in the water cream. I kind of wish that they put something else in there. Like if they did like a little small dewy skin mist in this, that would be life-changing. That would be so cool. But yeah, I just thought I'd pick this up because I always restock this. I love this, and I try to not use so much of it because it goes so fast. Like I run out of it super quick, so I have to like be more sparing with it. Oh, I didn't get like a whole lot. I thought I got more than that. Gosh, things just add up. Sephora, they really do. But this is a good little variety if you wanted to get like a mask and you have a moisturizer, a primer, and a setting spray. So it's kind of like you have your skincare kind of, and like some makeup. The next thing that I picked up, because my friend Lauren said that I had to get it and it was really good a while back, and I just kind of forgot about it, is this Glow Recipe mask. This Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask by Glow Recipe. I've never tried any of their products before, and I thought I'd pick it up because it's a good sleeping mask, and I think I have probably used a sleeping mask before, but I thought, why not? It's supposed to really give your skin some vibrance. I think they have a blueberry either cleanser or moisturizer or something too. Oh yeah, that smells like straight up watermelon, which is kind of weird, but I mean, I like watermelon. Glowing Radiance and Softening. So it's supposed to be glowing, radiant, softening. This kind of like sounds like the Summer Fridays mask, like same sort of purpose there. And I really, really want some radiance. Like I want to wake up and be just glowing, radiant. So I thought, why not try out the sleeping mask? And it happens while you're sleeping? Sure, why not, you know? So I thought that would be kind of fun. You can use it for different things. You can do it just like as a wash off mask. Petal Soft Skin, it's just a dreamy mask, what? So yeah, you can do a wash off or you can do sleeping mask, whatever you want to do. Thought I'd try it. And then I was not planning on getting this at all, but I decided to get it because it was just speaking to me. So I was like over where the checkout area, I really didn't pick up that much, by the way. Like my total was still like 175, 160, something like that. So it's definitely adds up, you know? But I was not planning on getting this at all, but I wanted to pick it up because it was just so pretty, and I'm really into cream highlight right now and just like liquid highlighter, especially because my skin gets so dry during this time of year. So I picked up this FARSÁLI Jelly Beam Illuminator in the shade Glazed. I haven't really heard a whole lot about this, but I love FARSÁLI Rose Gold Elixir a lot. Ugh, I just messed it up. I love the Rose Gold Elixir, and I saw this and I was like, this is so cute. Look at this little pot right here. And it's just really small. They had the big ones too in different shades, and I think I just like this shade the best, but they were all really pretty, all of the different shades. They have 3 in store, maybe there's more online. So I'm not gonna like tilt it too much because it's very liquidy. It does feel like jelly. You can kind of see what it looks like without me tilting it too much. But it's, yeah, it's like this jelly. My hands are super dry right now, but I thought this was so pretty. Look how pretty that is. I think this will be good for like a creamy, dewy look, like no powder look, and you just want to add some shine and some highlight. You could even mix that into foundation if you wanted to. Just thought it'd be fun, you know, to try a little something. I apparently had like major commitment issues this sale because I got a lot of small stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna order a little bit online before it ends. For right now, this is what I have picked up. So I'm excited to try that. Let me know if you guys got that and if you like it. All right, so another thing that I picked up are some of these INVISIBOBBLE hair bands, the Elegant Hair Ring. So I've never seen these. They came out with, I guess, a variety of a lot of different kinds. So this is the slim version. As you can see, like these are really small compared to the ones that I use. So this one's in the Bronze Me Pretty. I thought this would go prettiest with my hair color. But I thought that these were really cute and really slim and cute and just like not as bulky, not as chunky looking. So it comes with 3 of them, I think for $8, and then you get the 20% off. So I was like, works for me. I mean, because they last a long time. So I'm excited about the slim ones. I wonder if they're better than the normal ones. We will see, I guess. All right, so another thing that I got, second to last thing that I got, is gonna be this JOUER Lip Enhancer. I've heard so many good things about this lip product. I've heard that like this is the best lip balm, lip enhancer, whatever. It's good for hydrating your lips. I know a lot of people use this. So many people, I can't even like think of how many people have talked about this lip product, and I've never tried it. I've always wanted to. I've like almost bought it several times, but they didn't even know that they had it. I asked him in store, I was like, hey, do you guys have this? Because I couldn't find it anywhere. And he was like, no, we only have the lip topper. And then I went and looked and it was like right next to the lip topper. So no worries, but so it doesn't smell a whole lot like anything, but it's very glossy. It's supposed to just be very healing. And so that's something that I need, because I find during this time when we're going kind of more into winter, like my lips will be super, super chapped. And I hate that. I hate it when I can feel like my lips chapped and like dry, and I hate that stuff. So I always have stuff on my lips for the most part. So I'm really excited about this. I saw Makeup Shayla talking about it. Like pretty much every blogger talks about this stuff. So I'm super excited. All right, so this about wraps it up. It's a pretty small haul, you guys. I'm gonna get more online. I think I might get like, I really want the Kush Fiber Brow Gel. They didn't have it at the Sephora. So, and I almost bought that Becca highlighter, like with the 4 little highlighters, but a couple of those I was like, I would not use that. I really just wanted the rose quartz, and they were out of the full size in store. So you win some, you lose some, whatever. Some things aren't meant to be. So they had this as a point, like a, you know how they do the points, like the rewards. And this is the Milk Kush mascara, and I got 2 of them. So hopefully it's good, because I've never tried it before and I got 2 of them, but it's in Boom. I guess all of them might be Boom, I don't know. It's supposed to be pretty good. I've heard that it's pretty long lasting and it's pretty, you know, it's supposed to be like high volume, boom, volume extreme. So it's supposed to be really good. We'll see. Let me know if you guys have tried this mascara. I've never tried it or anything. Basically this time around, I really just wanted to be really excited about anything that I purchased because, you know, to an extent, like I don't need any makeup and shit gets expensive. Like that stuff gets, you know, there's nothing that I really wanted other than that stuff. Sometimes you don't know you want something until you go in and see it and you're like, oh, I could really use that. So I'm glad that I went in the store and kind of looked around and kind of saw some other stuff that they had. So that wraps up this haul, you guys. It's really small, very short, but I got a decent amount of stuff, so I thought I'd show you guys what I picked up. And maybe if you guys want to get any of it, you can go to the links down below and purchase them before the 20% off sale ends. So, you know, it only comes around a couple times a year, so you wanna take advantage, restock, whatever. I might get a couple more things, like I said, I might get a couple more things online. I definitely wanna get that brow gel. It's supposed to be really good. So that wraps up the haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys wanna see next down below by giving me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts, all that stuff if you guys wanna see more videos from me. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. I do have a eyeshadow video coming soon talking about this new Dose of Colors palette with Desi and Katie. And I'm not gonna show y'all the inside of it because I show it to you in my video. So boom, peep that. All right, I love you guys so much. I hope you have a great week and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. She ain't gotta go to work. No. How would it look if I got shorter hair? My hair is getting so long.